High Life Rakers Band by night. You're welcome back to Story Report on Airborne, the 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifeanyi AKZ, as our number the first. And the reason why the legend Fela made a song about how important Monday is to the commercial city of Eko, Lagos. How can you tell me that the way one or a people should save themselves is to destroy their economy in order to get at someone? Last week I said something about moment of truth. Like this administration of Professor Charles Soludo being that moment of truth when we have to tell ourselves the truth, irrespective of anything. In fact, the people, that moment when the people come together and, people gave a mandate, to Professor Charles Soludo to take the responsibility of building the state. He was elected amongst the people, who elected him. We hear things like, if Soludo wants to be loved by the people, he should remove his hands from the Monday sit at home. But yet, the Monday sit at home is doing a lot of harm than good to Anambra State. Have we, the Igbo people, given thought, to the fact of how Monday sit at home affects the 4 market days in Igbo land? There is someone, like, in one community in Anambra State who is dependent on his or her farm produce for survival, like Igbo apple, then Azobia, Apocha, Ubu apple, ne hope, no bossy afo, no bossy eke, Kojana Fiadianso, le wefi fully. But yet we have spent so much time in doing this thing, and yet we have not given this thing thoughts. Yeah, what about a situation where Monday falls into the Afo day? The person cannot sell the palm fruit or the apple on that day. Then the person, maybe at the end of the day, maybe early before another market day comes. Let me now explain how this day, Monday, affects the Sabbath day. There might be somebody who depends on this farm produce to survive. At the same time, this person practices, Judaism. The Mosaic one is all around us. It's in Nobi, it's in Umweri, it's in Ozobo. We have seen the Mosaic ones everywhere. So that Sabbath day as a fate for the person, this particular Monday, that will now enable the person to pay for a vow in the tabernacle on a Saturday. Then that's Monday sit at home destroys the opportunity. Can't you see the connection, how it affects the Sabbath day? And if the person does not have enough to eat, before another opportunity comes, how is the person going to keep up with the vow he made to the creator of the universe? Between Shukum na that's like what it is now. Now, in that same manner, a Christian who observes the first day as a day of worship could also be compromised. In that same manner, it happens, And in that same manner, so you can now see how connected the days of the week are. Let's take a listen to this report that is about the Monday sit at home. When we get back, then we'll get to listen to some songs, and then your opinion comes. This is Story Report on Airborne, 103.5 FM. Martin Ifeanyi AKZ, as our number the force is the one here. Take a listen, and I'll be back.